Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi from cabbage. Start with a large napa cabbage, cutting it into quarters lengthwise. Next, you'll brine the cabbage in a salt solution for about 2 to 3 hours, ensuring it softens properly. After brining, it's crucial to rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water at least 3 times to remove excess salt. Finally, drain the cabbage well and gently squeeze out any remaining water. This step is vital for achieving the perfect texture and flavor in your homemade kimchi. Now let's create the heart of our kimchi, the paste. In a large bowl, combine about 1 cup of gochugaru, 6 cloves of minced garlic, a 2-inch piece of grated ginger, and 1/4 cup of fish sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of glutinous rice flour paste, and half an onion, finely minced. Finally, mix in 1 cup of shredded daikon radish and 4 green onions, chopped. Ensure everything is well combined for a vibrant, flavorful paste. With your paste ready, it's time to combine it with the cabbage. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from the chili paste. Take each piece of brined cabbage and thoroughly coat every leaf with the vibrant kimchi paste. Once all the cabbage is coated, pack it tightly into an airtight container. Make sure to leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top to allow for fermentation gases. This ensures proper fermentation and delicious results. The final step is fermentation. Let your kimchi ferment at room temperature for 1 to 5 days, depending on how sour you like it. Taste it daily to find your perfect balance. Once it reaches your desired flavor, transfer the container to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process significantly. Properly stored in the refrigerator, your delicious homemade kimchi can be enjoyed for several weeks, offering a delightful tangy crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.